county down one morning last July. Down a bowling green came a sweet Colleen, and she smiled as she passed me by. And she looked so sweet from her two white feet to the sheen of her nut brown hair. Sure, the coaxy elf, I had to shake myself to be sure I was standing there. From Bantry Bay up to Derry Quay, and from Galway to Dublin town, no maid I've seen like the sweet Colleen that I met in the county down. As she onward sped, and I shook my head, and I gazed with a feeling rare, and I said, says I, to a passer-by, who's the girl with the nut brown hair? Well, he looked at me with a smile and said he, she's the gem of Ireland's crown. She's on Rose McCann from the banks of the Bann, she's the star of the county down. From Bantry Bay up to Derry Quay, and from Galway to Dublin town, no maid I've seen like the sweet Colleen